Are you still driving like it's 2015? Because 2025 is all about smart cars and even smarter drivers. Today, we're diving into the top 5 car gadgets. Every American driver needs tech that makes your ride safer, smoother, and seriously futuristic. First up, the 70mi Dash Cam Pro++. This isn't just a camera, it's your on-road eyewitness. With AI motion detection and 4000 recording, it keeps your vehicle protected 24/7. A must-have for US highways and long drives. Next, the car key wireless charger mount. No more messy cables. It locks your phone automatically, supports fast charging, and fits perfectly for Apple CarPlay users. Perfect for busy American commuters. Third, the Rove Smart Vehicle Assistant by Anchor. It gives you real-time car diagnostics, connects to Alexa, and even sends alerts if your car gets towed. It's like having a mini co-pilot right on your dashboard. Number 4, the Nanda ZUS Smart Tire Safety Monitor. It uses Bluetooth sensors to track in real time. Perfect for American road trips or harsh climates. And finally, the Visor HUD display, a futuristic heads-up display that projects your GPS and speed right onto your windshield, just like a fighter jet, only for your car. So which one would you install first? Drop a comment below and hit subscribe.